Alright, what's up, motherfuckers? Um, Today I'm going to be working on this Xbox 360 Slim. Hell yeah. It's going to be just a basic RGH 3.0. Get this to... I can barely even see it. Shoot. Alright, so it's never been opened. Let's see, 9.6. 2012 was the manufacture date. And yeah, let's find out if it has a hard drive in it. 'Cause I don't even know. No, nothing in there. That's okay. Quite all right. Let's power it on. See if it works. For that, we will move to a different view here. Hopefully it works, because at least the view anyway, because we got the... Come on, man. I've got the thing that's usually plugged in. It's been a while since I've worked on one of these. So this will be interesting. We'll see what dashboard it's on. Sync up our controllers here. I got the nice Gears of War. Nice Gears of War controller. See, we got a Nana and player one. Let's see what's on Nana. Is this like... Okay. Anyway. So... What is that? That stupid thing is being covered. Ah. 15574. Okay. Let's just go ahead and move this right at you. Like I said, it's been a while since I've worked on these Xboxes, so man, everything looks fucking... Dude, I got a whole box dedicated to just RGH stuff. So we're not gonna need this. Got my Nandex right here. Got my opening kit right there. I'm not even gonna mess with the DVD player outside of maybe replacing the belt for it. These are all the belts. I've saved them. These are all the drive belts that I've repaired over the years. Not all of them, obviously, but quite a few of them. You know, these are all worn out and overstretched. There's another one. I keep them, just like some guys keep capacitors, you know, bad caps or whatever. I keep these. I also keep one of these in the thing too for like hot swapping or whatever. Back in the GTA 4 days. This is just some hardware for Slim. Hardware for Slim. Washers, you know, because I mean that's just kind of what we did back in the day, but really reballing is the best way to do it. I'll just lay down now. Which I hope to one day get a reballer. Not be reballed. Wait, never mind. So let's put this back. I don't really do the DVD worry about the DVD drive on this video. Oh, here's my washers. Washers. There's some chips. I got some Ace chips and Cool Runner chips, and these are for I have these for like dumping KVs and shit. This is my slim tool, so we'll need this. And these are my post-fix adapters, just in case, because sometimes they need them depending on the revision. This one may need one. What was this? Oh yeah, this was my Pico thingy, my Pico flasher thingy, but it just, I was never really happy with it, so here it sits. Let's just get into this stuff. I've already been jabber John for too much already. Here we are. Apparently there's a new version of JRunner. Interesting. So there we go. Now I'm gonna have to find my reader because I don't know where that is. But we'll get this on here and then I'll look for it. It's a better workable spot for myself. All the solder on there because it doesn't really make any noticeable difference. Oh, maybe it does. Yeah, look at how shitty that is. Oh my god. Alright. Got some new solder on here, so we'll just go ahead and hit the other pads that we're going to be using. So we got 1, 3, and then we have 11, 13. Then we got 14, 16. And of course we have ground. Either one, doesn't matter. And then numero 2. Oh, shit. Yep, that's better. Yeah, this is all gonna look like shit by the time I'm done, but it's alright. I'm not gonna bother trying to turn it on and all that, so we'll just go here. For this portion, I'm just gonna plug it in. Not gonna do anything else. I do want to see though if JRunner sees it. Where's that thing at? Here we are. Read. There we are. Reading. Hell yeah. That worked. And it wrote. Okay. We dumped the NAND. We dumped it, and then we wrote ECC. Alright. So this part. Oops. Son of a bitch. Oh, fucker. This part Kapton tape. I would like to put some Kapton tape on here. So when I'm flipping the board around, it's not moving a bunch. Oh, I didn't. That's Violet. Violet's to blame. Violet. Do 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 do. Where's my thing? I'm a jig. Wire. Very bottom. Of course. Let's see. Spray this on there. All right, so we're just gonna start from here. So this one will require a post out fix adapter. So we're all clear on that. So it's gonna be right. Let's see here. Where are we? Should be right there. DB3R4. That's what's kind of nice is some of these are really close to each other. Kind of makes soldering it kind of weird, but I think yeah. Oh, that was stupid. I need to just put flux on. See if I can grab that with the iron. Okay. So I get any randoms floating around. All right. Why can't he wake you up at 6? Usually wakes me up at 5. Oh, perfect. I'm not. You'll be up. Walmart will be open. No, don't even. I'm not going that early. Okay, let's just not go at all. Kitty, what time did you want to go? It's 8? I don't know, whatever. I'm not putting a time frame on it. Well, as long as we can go through the toy aisle or something, it'd be cool. Got our countdown tapes right there, just keeping it in, you know. It's kind of off, isn't it? This is fucking hell. What the fuck? Yeah. Ooh, baby. Putting on what is this? MX4 thermal compound. All right. So there's Zell. And then let's go ahead and boot the glitched image. Or yeah, and there it is. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, I guess we'll get started on just getting this thing back together, right? So let the montage begin. All right, nominate trees. All right, here's the Zell. Zell. All right. Finished. Finished with this one, you guys. Wow. Yeah, so this one will be for sale. I will have others. I actually have like probably 10 other consoles that I need to do. A couple of them are probably going to need BGA replacements. But other than that, yeah, if you guys want one, just hit me up. Hey, good job, buddy. Good job. Good job. Anyway, hope you guys have a good rest of your weekend. Peace.